To use the DJI Mic Mini with an iPhone, what you have to do is to take out one of the DJI Mic Mini and press and hold a sync button, just like that, until you see it blink from green to blue. Then on the iPhone, swipe down here to reach the Bluetooth settings that you press and hold. Then you go into Bluetooth settings, and at the bottom here you should see the DJI Mic Mini. Select it and it's now connected. But when you go on the regular camera app, which is this one, I did not find a way to connect it because there's no settings and it remained on the camera default mic. What I suggest you to do is to install the Blackmagic Cam, and from here, actually you see here, it says iPhone microphone, which means that what we have here is the iPhone microphone. But if you go into settings, into audio, here you can choose the audio source, and then you can select the DJI Mic Mini. So select it, go back to the camera, and then you're ready to hit the record button, and it will record with that audio, just like that. You press record and it's done. This won't go into your photo by default, but if you go into the media, select the media, send it with the share button, and select save video just right here. This will save the video into your phone camera like you're used to use your device. So I hope this was helpful.